Hey everyone, welcome back to another video and get your tips. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows Update KB5065426 not installing on Windows 11 version 24H2 or 25H2, then how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into a step. So the first step is all about we need to pause and restart the update. So to do so, we just need to go over here, search for the settings. Now from here directly navigate to Windows Update. Now over here, as you can see, there is an option called pause update. So just go over here and you have to expand this. Make sure that you either set into 1 week or 3 weeks. You can go for 3 week or whatever it is, just pause the update for a particular week. Once you pause the update, what you need to do is just you need to check for update. Go for resume update and you have to check. Now after this, you can try downloading this and you can check. This is the first and foremost step that you need to try. Next one is all about, we just need to go over here, start app readiness service. To do so, we just need to go over here, search for the services, click on the services. Now from here, once it pop up, just wait for a bit of time and find app readiness here. So this is the app readiness. So right click, go to the properties. Now from here, go to startup type, that is automatic. Make sure, as you can see, the service status is stopped. So just click on the start. Now wait for a bit of time and go for apply and go for OK. Then you have to close this and you have to check. That might work. Next one is all about we need to run update troubleshooter. To do so, we just need to go over here, search for the settings once again. Navigate to system, scroll down and navigate to troubleshoot and click on other troubleshoots. And we might be having option here called Windows Update. So over here in the troubleshoot, we can run this diagnosis steps from the Windows end itself. Just click on the Windows Update, click on the run. Now just wait for a bit of time, that will completely load up. Now we have two options. Either I can't download, install or uninstall an update, or I installed an update but the update has caused the problem. So you can either go to any one of these which you're facing. So in my case, I'm having an issue with I installed an update but the update has caused the problem. For most of these, they might be having an issue with I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Select the respective one. Now window will be asking you to go for yes. Now that will be running some diagnostic steps from the Windows end itself and you can check. That might work in some cases, that might work. Next one is all about we have to go over here. We need to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So just go over here, search for the services, click on the services. Now from here, go to Background Intelligent Transfer Service, right click and go to restart. Now it will take a little bit of time. Just wait for this, or right click and go to the properties. Now as you can see, the startup type is automatic delayed start. So right click and change into automatic, go for apply, go for OK. Then you have to right click and click on restart once again. Now just wait for a bit of time. Now you have to scroll down and now directly navigate to Windows Update. Find the Windows Update, right click and go to the properties. Make sure it is automatic and the service status is running. If this is stopped, we have to click on the start. Then make sure it is running and right click on it once again. Go for restart once again. Now you have to close this and you have to check. That might work. Next one is all about you have to use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So I'll be providing a link in the description to both Windows Installation Assistant. Now from here, you can download, using this you can download the Windows 11 and you can check, and that might work in some cases, and that is very important that you have to try this out. Still, if you're having the trouble, you can just go over here, find the next one, that is all about use Microsoft Update Catalog. So I'll be providing a link in the description to this. Now here we need to type what is our issue, which means over here we have a value that is KB50. This particular value should be copied and you have to go over here and paste it over here. Now go for the search. Now you'll be getting these kind of details. Now from here you have to select the respective one. So based on x64 processed one, you have to go over here, click on the download the respective file, Then you have to install it and you have to check that might work. Most cases that might work. Next one, we need to reset the Windows update. So to do so, we have to copy this particular command. Just copy this entire command. Now copy this and we have to minimize this. Now go to right click and go to show more options. Directly navigate to text document. Just open this. Now paste this particular command. Whatever you copied, you have to paste it. Go to the file. Now go for save as. Now change this to old files. And here it should be changed as wuauserv.bat. Now go for save and go for yes. Once you save this, just close everything. Over you can see the file is here. So right click and go to run as administrator and go for yes. Now this will be running some set of steps. This will take a lot of time. So this will be running each step one by one. Whatever the command that you copied, it will be running one by one. So this is a lengthy process. Maybe it might take around half an hour to 1 hour. So what you need to do is just wait for this to get completely done. Once it's completely done, you just need to go back and you have to check. After this completely done, you can restart your PC and you can check. Next one is all about we need to use option fix problem using Windows Update. So just go over here, search for settings once again. Click on the settings. Now from here navigate to system, scroll down and navigate to recovery. Now find here fix the problem. We have two options. Either we have fix problem using Windows Update and fix the problem using this. So this will be reinstalling the current version of Windows, but all your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So you can go for this one and you can check. That might work in most cases. Last one is all about the media creation tool. So I'll be providing a link in the description over here. If you scroll down, you can see we have media creation tool. Now from here, you can download this and install and you can check that might work. So these are the steps and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye bye.